Hello, I'm Rich Bonanno, Director of NC State Extension. I'm excited to share an update with you about a new video series called Homegrown that Extension and CALS have launched to reconnect people with the food, landscapes, and agriculture of North Carolina. Homegrown was developed to showcase our Extension agents and specialists delivering timely research-based information in 3 segment areas: in the garden, in the kitchen, and on the farm. Every month, we'll produce at least 3 new homegrown videos with tips and tools from our Extension experts. We're just getting started, but you can watch some examples on the Homegrown site listed below. As you'll see, we're also refreshing existing Almanac Garden videos, and we expect the content categories to grow moving forward. Finally, along with this video, you also received more information about Homegrown and how you can help. We need your expertise and participation for this series to be impactful. And in turn, Homegrown will introduce our people and programs to a broad statewide audience. I encourage you to review the materials, then share ideas that can help make Extension visible for many more North Carolinians. We'd also appreciate if you went online and subscribed to the monthly digest or shared the program among your social networks. Thanks in advance for your time and help, and congratulations to the Homegrown team for getting this program up and running.